Good morning. I'm back from my walk, preparing to take my shower, but I wanted to tell you about my morning experience. My walk was very invigorating, and of course, I needed a smoothie afterwards. So I went to Rabbit Foods. They were closed. They're closed on Mondays. I decided that I would try another place near the gym. They don't open until 11. And so my walking partner said that there was a place downtown. Before I tell you about this place downtown, or at least show you this place downtown where I did go to get a smoothie, I want to thank my subscribers. I see you, I appreciate you, and I thank you for what you're doing to help me to build this channel. Thank you for joining the Gene G family. And if you haven't joined yet, I have one question for you. What are you waiting on? Come on, click that subscribe button and the notification bell so you'll know every time I upload a video. Now that you know the backstory, I'm going to go ahead and let you see my experience with this place I visited today. I'm going to let you find out a little bit more about this place. It's called Prime Nutrition, and someone's going to talk to you, the person that made my smoothie, because the owner is not inside right now. She might be outside on the phone negotiating for a new building, maybe in your town. I ordered the cafe latte. I'm getting ready to taste it. I'll tell you what it tastes like at the end of the video. Let's talk. Tell us about this place.
Hi, my name is Tabitha, and I'm here at Prime Nutrition. We are located at 1145 Russell Street in Orangeburg, South Carolina. We sell meal replacement shakes, energy boosting teas, post-workouts, pre-workouts, fat burners, you name it, we have it.
Thank you, Tabitha.
You're welcome.
Okay, so the owner is who?
Desi Charlie.
Oh, and Desi Charlie, how did this business get started?
Okay, so we got started because I started on these products because my body was sick, super young, but diabetes, high blood pressure, high cholesterol, all of that. So I got started on these products to help myself, and it just went from there. The results were amazing, how we felt, my husband, my daughter, my sister, like everybody started using them. So we were like, let's take it to the next level and try to help our community. So we started doing it this way, a little healthy cafe. We started in St. Matthews because that's where we live, and it's grown from there. So that's why we're here.
All right, thank you so much. Thank you. Like Rainbow Road down here. And these you said are teas.
Yes, those are our herbal teas. They're herbal tea concentrate. They promote mental clarity and focus. They give you some amazing energy and help with your digestion.
I might need that energy tea. What do you think?
I need the mental clarity.
I wish that I could have recorded my face upon tasting that cafe latte. It was delicious. I really, really enjoyed it. I could tell though that there was some sort of powdered products in that drink, but I enjoyed it. I am learning that there are more places in my town than I thought. As a result of the pandemic, of course, I was not going out and I was not walking. But now that I am retired, walking, and sometimes not wanting to make my own smoothie, as a result of not wanting to make my own smoothie, I found 2 places. And I really enjoy the people and the products. I really did. I will be going back to both of these places again. This is a sister who loves her locks. I love my friends, my family, my subscribers, and my followers. But I especially love God because He keeps blessing me over and over and over again. He's afforded me the opportunity to meet new people. People that have brought things to this community as a result of their own experiences in life, and that these things have helped them, and now they're reaching out to help the community. My God is good. He knows the plans He has for you. I'm going to walk in His plan. I am going to work to do His will. I know He will continue to show up and show out in my life. Have a great day.